All right, y'all, back at ya, and we got a cool project today. Just when I thought my wife couldn't get any prettier, look at this. She made one of these things, and just look how nice it looks. Oh my gosh! All right, what'd you do? How'd you do that?
Well, our friends just got married yesterday, so I made one of these for her, and I thought it might make a cool video. So I made one for her yesterday, and I wanted to make one for you guys, just in case you guys thought that this might be kind of cool, just to have fun and wear, or if you're getting married and you have like a beach wedding.
Yeah, or if you have a daughter or something, what little girl wouldn't love one of those? Come on, come on.
Yeah, it definitely is super tropical and pretty.
So what'd you make it out of? What you got?
Okay, so if you look at mine close up, you can see I actually used like aged leaves.
What
like
kind of leaves are these?
These are coconut palm leaves. Okay. So I didn't even cut the whole palm leaf off. I just snipped with scissors the length of about in the middle of the palm leaf. There's an extra long set of leaves, so I cut those out.
Yeah, so this is not a fresh leaf.
This one isn't fresh. Yeah. But I cut it fresh off. It was just one of the leaves that was lower. These were off of a palm leaf that was sticking straight up, which is the freshest leaf. And it hadn't yet fanned out yet, but these are our new ones. And then I already went ahead and tied it. But there's a center like rib in the center of each of these, and you kind of line them up like that. So all I do is just a simple braid. So I push the rib in the middle. So that's really the only kind of like trick, if there is one here.
Oh, this is just a...
It's just a braid.
Yeah, I could even do this. Man.
Good.
Maybe, I don't know. You guys haven't noticed I'm kind of a doof, so we'll leave this one to her.
So I'm kind of folding it forward as I'm
you're like wrapping it. I see. You're folding it around, yeah.
So you need to measure the circumference of your head. Hold on. Here is mine right here. So I'm just gonna try to make it about the same. You can also take an extra palm leaf and kind of get your measurement that way. Just the same as that, so. I think it's a little thinner at the end.
This thing looks pretty cool without flowers.
Yeah, I think it's a little less formal without the flowers, you know. But flowers are really fun too.
Man, these flowers smell good.
Yeah, I know.
I can smell them while I'm shooting.
Get close-ups of all those.
Yeah.
And all of these flowers.
These are two of the other baskets she's made. This is a super cool basket right here.
That's made of coconut palm.
Yeah.
And this is the one we
And so
made.
this one right here is her signature basket. Which one is this?
That's the sawtooth palm basket.
This is our sawtooth loincloth basket. You can see it. Hold still. It's a basket.
All right, that looks like it's about the right size. So, just kind of straighten it all out. Bring it back here to kind of like straighten it out a little bit. And then I'm gonna
What are you doing? Just tying it off?
just closing it and tying it and knotting it. You might want to actually get a second piece of string to knot it around, because you want to make sure this is knotted really tight and it doesn't move on you.
Looks like she's just using
Just using
regular twine
just
here.
to keep it all natural material.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess you could just go throw this in the compost pile when you're done wearing it. Yeah.
But this these palm leaves actually last a long time. So you can use it for it'll be green for probably 2 weeks. And then it'll turn brown, which still looks kind of cool. For as long as you keep it inside, it doesn't get rained on or anything. It lasts a really long time. So I'm just knotting this really good. All right.
If you don't know how to tie a knot, tie a lot.
Tie a lot.
And I'm not making fun of her. That was actually a joke that was pointed at me one time when I was trying to tie my boat off.
All right, so I'm just gonna tie the loose ends of the braid to kind of cover up the uglier string. And then I'm gonna trim these here. And I just kind of like pull it and stretch it all the way around.
All right, does it fit? Drum roll. Ooh, nice.
Does it fit?
Yeah.
All right, it's a little tighter.
Maybe a smidge tight. You could probably pull it out a little bit.
Pull it a little bit, yeah.
That's probably all you need right there.
Perfect.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, all right. So once you get to this point, you can just put flowers in it. Let me show you all the different kind of flowers I have. This is some buttercups.
So this is a native one in Florida, and it is an excellent plant to attract pollinators. And
skipperjack butterflies and honeybees are always at it all morning.
This one flowers all year long too.
And then we have some red sage flowers here. This is another native. It's really beautiful. I don't know if I'm gonna use these.
What are you doing here? Are you making a bouquet? Or?
I'm just showing all the flowers and then.
Gotcha. Oh, look how pretty that is.
And then I just thought that was pretty.
Which one is this?
This is just a weed that was in our grass.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, and she'll do that a lot, guys. She'll just go walk around our yard or one of our parents' yards, and you can make a bouquet out of a lot of stuff. You don't discount weeds or even leaves on plants. Sometimes look good in bouquets. And
so this one I kind of did on the side. It kind of looks like a flapper style, and I kind of like the way that this one looks, just on one side. But I have so many flowers here. I'm gonna make one that has flowers going all the way around. So this is one of my beach dune sunflowers. If you can see.
And that came from our yard. We didn't pull it off of a public dune.
So it actually feeds through to the other side. You can see. You can kind of grab them here.
Oh yeah, nice.
And then pull it tight. And then one thing that's really fun to do with the plumerias is you can kind of like stick flowers and make like a double flower.
Plumeria is one they use in leis a lot. The islands.
Oh, I got these specifically for that. So here's my little Lego spinach. This is like a teeny tiny flower that I thought would look cool. You put it in the middle.
Look at that, you can make your own flowers.
Yeah. I'm gonna use a different one of these here. There we go. All right, and then you just stick that in the next little V here. And then here's some pagoda flowers.
Those are real cool. Nice delicate little flower. Almost looks like an orchid.
Yeah, it does. I like the way these beach flowers look.
That's another native flower right there.
Yeah.
You see bees on these all the time. I think that one comes in white too, right?
Yeah, I got
Oh,
white.
yeah, she's got some white
Got
right
some
there.
white right here.
Nice.
Here's another plumeria. I liked the way. Here's a whole like little branch of the pagodas.
Look at that. Look how cool that looks. You just trimming that so it's easier to slip in there.
I'm gonna try to slip it in there. This is how I did the one I made the other day.
That's a penta right there.
Yeah,
Those come in all different colors, and again, the pollinators just love it.
Yeah, we actually have a big fat caterpillar on one of ours.
Yeah.
It's not working out for me today. Here.
It's got stage fright.
I know.
Not you, the flower.
Here we go. So pretty.
Ooh.
Here's the big
Hibiscus.
hibiscus.
So that's kind of like a one-day flower right there.
Yeah.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
All right. This one's got them. Oops. Some of it, if it's loose, just put 2 flowers in there and that'll hold it still. And then another thing that you can do, with just regular Elmer's glue, is you can kind of take a pretty tropical
like a croton leaf
for Hawaiian tie, and then you just glue it like that. And it makes like a nice little.
Oh, and it covers up
It covers the.
Sweet.
And then you can kind of move it so that that goes in the middle. I'm not going to glue it because it's pretty self-explanatory. And then
whoa, that one flower. Well, it looks cool. It's like a walking garden.
So yeah, this one might be a little.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think it looks a little better like
crazy.
that. Yeah.
And
Nice.
there you go.
Look at that.
I hope you guys get out and give this a try. And
I mean, again, what little girl wouldn't like one of those? So everyone needs to.
Adult girl.
Right, or your doofus husband. All right. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope y'all give it a try. Well,
Thanks for watching.
All right, yeah, so I finally learned how to put a subscribe button. I don't know, I think it's in this corner, maybe this one, I don't know. But we'd appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, everybody, take care.